Hey, what's up guys, hope you are doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how you can remove the noise of voice in Audacity. So if you're interested and if you want to know these, continue watching this video and hit the like button. Thanks for subscribing, leaving comments, watching my videos, thumbs up my videos. I mean the love and support that I have got from you guys. That's completely real.
Welcome back friends. Now we are in the computer and we opened the Audacity application. As you know, Audacity application is a free and open source application that you can, with this application you can remove the noise of your voice. So let's get started on how to do this, how to remove the noise of your voice. So at first we need to record some voice in this application. From here you can record your voice. This only a test. Hey, what's up guys, hope you are doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how you can remove the noise of your voice. Let's get started. So this is our voice. This is our voice. At first we play. This only a test. Hey, what's up guys, hope you are doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how you can remove the noise of your voice. Let's get started. So this is our voice and we want to remove the noise of this. So this is our recorded voice. We want to remove the noise of this voice. So let's get started. Close this one and you have to select this area and go to an effect. An effect, you select the noise reduction. Click on noise reduction and this number is okay, 20, and this number is also okay. You have to click and get noise profile. So that's done, and now you have to select all with Ctrl A. The shortcut is Ctrl A, and here you have to come and effect, and here you have to click repeat noise reduction. So it's removing the noise. Yep, that's done. And now we play again this voice. This only a test. Hey, what's up guys, hope you are doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how you can remove the noise of your voice. Let's get started. So this is a quick tutorial. I'm sure that you have learned this one. It's very easy. You have to select this area and come to an effect, noise reduction, get noise profile, and now select all of this with Ctrl A. The shortcut is Ctrl A, and here you have to come and repeat noise reduction. Yep, this is done, and this now it's without noise. You can use this voice as your wish.
Thanks for watching this quick tutorial. Until next video, goodbye. Make sure to subscribe. Hey, what's up guys, hope you are doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how you can remove the noise of. Hey, what's up guys, hope you are doing well. I want to thank you for thanks for subscribing. Thanks for subscribing, watching my videos, comment what